Here I am at Edinburgh Airport, and for once it isn't stupid o'clock. I'm heading down to Birmingham to a conference, and I thought I'd do a quick vlog because I'm flying with FlyBe, who I've not flown with for a long time, and it's a prop job. Welcome to RogVLOG. As with all UK airports, Edinburgh isn't really an airport. It's just a great big building full of twisty, twiny routes through millions of shops and restaurants. Now, at this time of the morning, I could go for one of the posh brands to get my breakfast, but to be perfectly honest, I prefer a bacon butty from Caffè Nero. And, of course, a great big black coffee. FlyBe are a European and UK domestic airline flying a great big fleet of de Havilland Dash 8 Q400 aircraft. They've just been taken over by Virgin, so I imagine soon they'll rebrand as Virgin Atlantic. There's a surprising amount of legroom for such a small plane. I always call these planes prop jobs because obviously they have propellers, but actually inside the engine it is just like a jet engine, except the propulsion is provided by the propeller rather than the fans you see on bigger jets. I think I do prefer the roar of a jet engine, but nevertheless we're lined up and we're ready to go. The flight was very lightly loaded, but I wasn't allowed to move any further forward for trim reasons. FlyBe's in-flight service is a typical UK low-cost airline buy-on-board offering, but I quite like the glossy brochure with these rather appetising photographs of the food and drink. As you would expect, I went for the Kenko Black Americano coffee, and it was absolutely delicious. Travel vloggers always seem to do a little bit of video from inside the bathroom, so here's the bathroom. Well, we were on time, and I'm here at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Birmingham getting ready to give my 2 speeches at this conference this afternoon. You know, business travellers often describe FlyBe as fly maybe, but today we got down here absolutely bang on time, if not a little bumpy on the way. If you enjoyed this episode of RogVLOG, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, keep marketing your business to keep growing your business.